So for this exercise, we're going to modify the form page that we created earlier and configure it so that it uses a post method to invoke a server-side script. In order to test your work for this one, you may need to make sure that you're connected to the internet. The post method's more secure than the get method because the post does not pass the form information in the URL. It passes the form information in the entire body of the HTTP. If you're going to use a server-side script, there's some information that you have to get from the person or the organization that's giving you the script. You have to know the location, whether it's a get or a post method, whether it requires specific names for the form controls, whether there's any hidden form elements. The action attribute is used on the form tag to invoke a server-side script. And so you can pay attention to all of that, and whoever's doing your server-side script should be able to give you that information as well. So the author of the book has already set up a server-side script to use at https webdevbasics.net scripts demo.php. So she's already got all of that squared away for us. That has the code, everything that we need to do in there. So really all we have to do is go in and add the line that will do the text. So we're going to add another folder. This is 10.6. Going to come in here and get our contact 2 from 10.5 that we did. Open it up with Notepad. Here it is in Chrome. And we're going to modify our form tag right here where we have our method of get, and instead of get we're going to do post. So we're going to say post action equals https webdevbasics.net scripts demo.php. I'm going to save this as my contact.html. Run it in Chrome. At gulfcoast.edu. Now if the script works correctly, what we should get is our information's been received, and my name is Erica Goins, egoins.edu, and this is our comment area. Scripts take another scripting language, so there are scripts out there. There are different scripting areas that you can go to. So just understand that if you're working with scripts, you're working with something more than just your basic HTML language.